Do it again.
Video it.
Go on,
look,
do it in the dark.
Here,
Go on, just do it.
Here we have the helicopter. We're
Oh,
gonna
right.
put it down.
Yep.
Then I'm gonna fly it. I'm rubbish at this. Well, I'm quite good, but rubbish. But okay. Alright. That was not good.
Nah, you smash it to bits again, ain't you?
Yeah.
Land it on the Coke can. Poof!
Where did you want me to land it?
Anyway, you like, I don't
Should
care.
I land it?
Go on. See if we can get a bit more out of it before you detonate it. Should we do the big one in a minute?
What a big what?
That big helicopter, the other one. That blade. Rather than the practice one.